All right, folks. Good evening. This is Marcel for Amtrak California 705. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 734 on its way to Sacramento. Arriving at Martinez station, he's going to be on the, I believe, the third track on over there to the far left. That's where he's going to be arriving at. So this is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 734 going to Sacramento. 8309 and 2123, the Marcel set is on this one. Okay, my train is moving. Next stop is Richmond for me. Once again, Amtrak Capital Corridor train 734 to Sacramento, just now arriving. There it goes.